Welcome! If you've been looking for a quick and easy way to unblock multiple accounts on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, managing your blocked list is simpler than ever. Today, I'll walk you through every step so you can reconnect with people you've previously blocked, all from your browser. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons there. Find the one labeled More and give it a click. A new menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your Instagram preferences. Look for the section called Blocked. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the accounts you've blocked in the past. Now comes the easy part. Next to each blocked account, there's an Unblock button. If you want to unblock someone, simply click on the Unblock button next to their name. Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision. Just click Confirm, and that account will immediately be unblocked. You can repeat this process for as many accounts as you want. There's no need to go back and forth between pages. Just keep clicking Unblock and confirming until you've managed your entire blocked list. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily unblock multiple accounts on Instagram right from your PC, thanks to the new update. Whether you're reconnecting with old friends or just cleaning up your list, this method is fast, straightforward, and user-friendly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.